Hello P.1 and welcome back to IP English time. Today we have lesson 48 and I hope that you are ready. So let's get started. P.1, let's review our bugs. So first, let's do this activity. I want you to read the words and to match with the pictures. So let's see what we have. Number 1, spider. Number 2, bee. Number 3, fly. And number 4, caterpillar. So we have to look at the picture and match with the numbers. Okay, let's have a look. Where is the spider? Can you see? Yes, this is a spider and it has many legs. Okay, let's continue. Number 2, bee. Can you find a bee? Yes, very good. Now we can see a bee, and bee likes honey. Number 3, fly. Where is the fly? Can you help me to find the fly? Yes, very good. This is a fly. Number 3. And the last one, caterpillar. Yes, it's here. And it's a very long bug. Spider. Bee. Fly. And caterpillar. Okay, so we have to look at the picture and also we have many letters. So have a look. We have 1, 2, 3 dashes equivalent to the number of the letters in the word. So if we look at the picture, we have to think first. What's this? Do you remember? It's a fly. Yes, that's correct. It's a fly. So let's find our letters. The beginning letter of this word is letter F. Very good. The next one, fly. Letter L. Very good. And the last one, letter Y. Yes, fly. So let's have a look at the picture first. What can you see? Do you remember the name of this bug? So we have 1, 2, 3 letters in this word. So we have to find 3 letters. This is a bee. That's correct. This is a bee. So let's think together. Which letter is the beginning letter? B. Letter B. Very good. It's the beginning letter. And then, do you remember how to spell this word? So the next letter will be, I will give you a clue. You have to find the same letters for the rest of the word. So the second letter and the last one will be the same. So we have to choose double E. Yes, double E. So very easy to remember. B-E-E. B. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Wow, let's have a look at this picture. And you can see that you have to find so many letters. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to find 6 letters. Do you remember how to spell this word? But first, I would like to ask you, do you remember? What's this? I'm afraid of this bug because it has so many legs. And this is a spider. Yes, this is a spider. Very good. So the beginning letter will be letter S. Excellent. Letter S. Then we have to find spider. Can you guess? Letter P. Very good. Letter P is the second letter of this word. The next one, spider. Do you remember how to spell? Letter I. Yes, that's true. Spider. Letter D is going to be the next. Very good. And let's finish this word. So only 2 letters are left. Letter E and the letter R. Very good. Let's spell together. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Let's try the last one. Wow! I can see so many dashes. So we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's have a look at the picture first. What can you see on the tree? This is a caterpillar. Yes, great job. This is a caterpillar. So let's spell this word together. The beginning letter is letter C. Very good. And it sounds like caterpillar. So this is a very long word, but we can spell it, I am sure. Okay, the next one is letter A. Yes, very good. Letter A. Caterpillar. So what do you think about our next letter? Letter T. Excellent. Letter T will be the next. And what about letter A? No, not letter A will be the next. Letter E. Letter E, yes. So what is going to be next after letter E? Caterpillar. Do you remember? Letter R. Yes, that's true. Letter R. And let's continue. Let's finish the difficult word. Caterpillar. Yes, letter P. And the next one, I want you to think. Caterpillar. Letter O. A. No. Letter I. Letter I is going to be after letter P. Okay, and let's think together what is going to be next. Maybe letter R, L, A, O. Letter L. Yes, very good. And do you remember that we have double L? So we have two L. And only two letters are left. Caterpillar. Okay, letter A and R. Let's spell it one more time. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Now I want to give you a homework. So you need your workbook. Please prepare your workbook. You need to open page 15, part A and B. I'm going to give you two activities to do at home. So let's start with part A. You have to read the words one by one. You have 4 words and pictures. And then you have to match the word with the picture. For example, number 1. You can see number 1, B. So let's find B and match. Continue doing your activity. And the next one, part B. So again, you have to look at your picture. You have number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for example, number 1. This is a caterpillar. So you have to write these words. I will check your spelling. So number 1, Caterpillar, caterpillar. Number 2, what's this? This is a spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. So you have to do number 3 and number 4 at home. And let's check it next time. For this lesson, we finish our activities. Thank you so much, P1. See you next time. Bye-bye.